Today I want to make a video introducing the client portal dashboard to streamline the workflow for anyone that's in the portal. It allows us to make it easy for people to actually design their experience. And as you can see here, we have a home button here that lets us go to the dashboard. So we can select communities or courses. There is actually a third app for affiliates or referrals if you want to have a referral group. And then of course you can also view or edit your profile. That's the standard menu. But if you go to the dashboard here, you can actually see that we have a dashboard card that is dynamic that tells us what groups we have joined, what courses we have completed, and it also allows us to go and complete our profile. So for example, when I click on this, it takes me to the profile where I can actually put my information in, and I click home. I come back to my front. When I like to go and visit my groups, I can click on this and it takes me to the group that I'm joined. And if I would want to join another group, I can do that. There's paid groups here. There's monthly recurring, but I am in this group, so it takes me there again. There's a home button that takes me back to the front profile. It allows a very quick and easy moving through the system. So let's take a look how this looks on the phone. We are fully responsive. It is usable on the phone. We have the groups joined here. There's quick links, and we can actually view the joined groups. Of course, we have the menu up on top as well. We have the profile section, and we can join a group or we can take a course. So for example, when I go to view joined groups, then there is my group. Even switch to other groups here. So all of this works very well also on mobile. We're now in the setup session in our platform, and we find this under Sites, Client Portal, and there is a dashboard and there is settings. And on the dashboard itself here, we can create magic links. We can invite clients to the portal, and there is different versions of magic link. We can create a magic link for a contact, so that contact can immediately click into our community, or we can also build custom menus for the 3 different apps. There's a possibility here to set up app permissions, and as you have seen in the portal, I only have set up the communities and the courses. I have not set up the affiliates, but I could add the affiliates to client portal as well. And I can of course set up the default landing page, and you can see here I can actually set the home with the dynamic dashboard as a default landing page. I have chosen to send people to the community, and that's basically it. That's how you set it up. We have a nice dashboard now, and that dashboard streamlines the workflows that we can direct our clients through, and it looks very nice from the client perspective, both desktop and also fully dynamic on mobile devices.